So the trick or the mantra that you can follow is that I followed is of simplicity and hard work. Simplicity means that like you have to be very simplistic in your approach for preparing for any interview. So most of the topics are from CLRS. So basically what you can do is like you can look at every topic. You can go on HackerRank, HackerEarth, or Top Coder, read that topic, practice some questions. So this is how you should cover your syllabus. Like you should have a precise list of what to cover. You should not read everything under the sun and take some fancy topics at hand. So you should do very basic topics first. Then the thing is practice. And when I was preparing for specific to a company like Microsoft or some other company, I just used to go. I used to practice from Geeks for Geeks. That is the company-wise section. Then another thing that is important for any interview is system design. So system design is basically like three parts, like operating system, the networks, and databases. So there are some very great documentations of some system design on GitHub. That is one like system design primer. That it is a very excellent, very exhaustive documentation. And then some of the people ask me about what should be the project that you should do. So for projects, I would suggest that you should do your course projects, like projects that are in your networks lab or databases lab. You should do those projects very sincerely. And even if you have not done them very sincerely, at least you should prepare how you have to present those projects in front of an interviewer or in your resume. So even if you have not put that much effort, but you should put 100%, 150% effort while you are writing that project in your CV. And then comes like how to actually prepare for interviews. So on this, trust me that there is no other option than to prepare among yourselves. So what we used to do during placements were like we used to form a group of 4 people. 3 people used to sit on other side of table and one on the other side, and those 3 guys used to grill that another guy a lot. So I did the same. I followed the same approach, and I was so well mentally prepared that during interview I didn't feel like as if it was another interview. It may be intimidating for you, like how I got a job in Redmond, but trust me, if I can do, then anyone of you can do. Because when I came to IIT Guwahati, I had no idea about coding. In my first semester, I was about to fail in the introductory course of programming, but I still managed to get a 5 out of 10. That is pretty bad grade. But then I just took my courses more seriously and went through some practice on code forces and all. And yeah, it was just going with the flow after that. So that in your LinkedIn profile, your project should be well written and your profile should be looked at as if it is very complete. It should not be very like very vague. And if a recruiter see your profile, he should know that this guy has at least put in some effort while preparing his LinkedIn profile or preparing his resume. So those are the very important things while you are applying off campus.